Let's do a crudo with Seatopia sushi grade turbot paired with some heirloom tomatoes.
In the kitchen we sway.
We start by doing a quick pickle of this Mandoline thin sliced shallot. A little bit of lemon and salt, let that cure.
Seatopia is the key.
And then thinly slice a beautiful heirloom tomato we found at the farmer's market. Just peak ripeness, these tomatoes, so much sugar and beautiful bright colors. Just arrange those on the plate ever so. And then the star of the show, this sushi grade turbot that's just snow white, really beautiful meaty texture that can be a good partner to citrus and spice. So endeavoring to highlight the color and texture, we sliced it as thin as we could and then experimented with a couple different ways to present this. Some of these we rolled into the form of little flowers that looked fun and add some textural contrast to this crudo dish, just rolling these thin slices. Quite simple, brings just a little bit more texture and character to the dish.
Cooking seafood surreal.
And then we also lay flat additional thin slices of the crudo to maximize the surface area where they can absorb the spice, olive oil, and other marinade added to this dish. We used a bit of urfa biber, a smoky Turkish spice, paired with some fresh basil. We made a chiffonade of basil by simply rolling the fresh basil and then very thinly chopping it with some fresh marigolds from the garden. Enjoyed this simple summer crudo, highlighting the sushi grade quality of Seatopia turbot paired with peak ripeness of this heirloom tomato. This was a very simple, beautiful, elegant crudo that I was able to share with a neighbor, with my daughter and friends. Just looks beautiful paired with these bright colors.